If your Roblox clothes aren't showing up in-game, here are 3 easy fixes you can try. First, open the Roblox website, tap the 3 lines in the top left corner, and go to Avatar. If you see the message this avatar isn't loading correctly, tap Redraw. This refreshes your avatar and reloads your clothing items, which often fixes the problem. If your clothes still don't appear, try removing every clothing item from your avatar. Once everything is unequipped, put each item back on one by one. This forces Roblox to reload your outfit. If the issue continues, clear your browser's cache. Open your browser settings, search for cache, and select Delete Browsing Data. Make sure cached images and files is the only option checked. Set the time range to all time, and then click Delete. This only removes temporary files and won't delete your account or important data. After clearing the cache, go back to the Roblox avatar page, refresh it, and use the redraw option again if needed. Your clothes should now display correctly in-game. If this video helped, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.